I've been using this Revlon hairbrush because it's really simple to use and it gives my hair a little bit of extra volume. So it's got this high, low, and cool switch here on the bottom and this nice thick handle with bristles, and it doesn't pull at my hair and it helps give me a little bit of shine and extra volume. So how I use it is I turn it on, and I don't really know how to style my hair, but this helps give me a little additional volume. So let me show you how I style. It heats up super fast, and as you can see, my hair looks a little bit more smooth, and I have just a tiny bit more volume to my hair, which is fantastic because I'm not great at curling it or anything, but I do like the look. It gives me just little curls on the ends, and I'm really loving the look of using this brush.